Dobji Dzong is one of Bhutan's oldest dzongs, located on a ridge near Chuzom in Paro District along the Thimphu to Haa and Paro highway. It was built in 1531 by Ngawang Chogyal, the brother of the great Saint Drukpa Kunley, and was originally called Dogar Penlop, meaning Stone Castle of Bhutan. The dzong is considered one of the earliest examples of dzong architecture in Bhutan and served multiple roles over time. It was the residence of the Dogar, later used as the National Central Jail from 1976 to 1997, and today it functions as a monastic school for around 35 monks. Dobji Dzong is also linked to sacred legends. A healing spring called Drub is believed to have spiritual powers, and the dzong houses a revered statue of Guru Rinpoche. It was featured in the Bhutanese film Travelers and Magicians and remains an important religious and historical site.